In this quick start video, I will show you some miscellaneous G-code commands. We go to Machine, we click on Export G-code for CNC milling. The result is as follows: M03. This command is to start the spindle. G04. This command indicates a pause. It is followed by the letter P with a number. In this case, pause for 2 seconds after the spindle has started. F followed by a number. This is the feed rate. It is always in millimeter per minute or inches per minute. Because this file is in inches, this indicates 60 inches per minute. For CNC lathe export, the S1000 indicate to spin the part at 1000 RPM. M05 is to turn off the spindle, and M02 indicate the program end with no repeat.